Chinese tech giant Beidou has started operating the fully driverless robotaxi services to the public in Beijing. It is China's first paid autonomous vehicle service where users can hail a robotaxi without a safety driver behind the steering wheel, marking a landmark step on the road to commercialization of autonomous driving. The fully driverless Apollo Go robotaxi service is first launched in Beijing's Shaogang Park, one of the venues for the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics, and will soon be transporting visitors at the Games. By using the Apollo Go app, users can locate a robotaxi in the vicinity and hail a driverless ride by themselves through a system of unmanned self-service processors. Features including virtual reality navigation and remote car honking can help users to identify the location of the car. To unlock the autonomous vehicles, users are required to scan a QR code and health code on the car for identity verification and pandemic prevention purposes. Upon boarding the vehicle and clicking on the Start the Journey button, the system will ensure that seat belts are fastened and the doors are shut. The trip only beginning after all the passenger safety protocol checks are completed. With no safety driver at the helm, the 5G remote driving service is present at all times to allow human operators to remotely access the vehicles in the case of exceptional emergencies. At Beijing Shaogang Park, the robotaxi will be able to transport users to sports halls, work areas, coffee shops, and hotels. During the upcoming Winter Olympics, the Apollo robotaxis will be available to provide shuttle services for athletes and staff. Since October last year, Beidou has started autonomous driving tests for public and trial operations in Beijing. Beidou Apollo is moving forward to a new stage of scalable commercialized operations with the launch of the fully driverless robotaxi services in the capital as a starting point of commercialized operations in first-tier Chinese cities. Beidou Apollo recently announced the completion of over 10 million kilometers of road testing for autonomous driving. Beidou has been investing in autonomous driving for 8 years and has established a car fleet of 500 vehicles for autonomous driving trials. Beidou has been granted 2,900 patents for intelligent driving and 221 test drive licenses, among which 179 are to test self-driving cars for carrying passengers.